Hello friends, how are you? I think all is well. Today I'm gonna show you how to make very special chicken kids pasta. This recipe is especially for kids. So that's why I'm using today kids pasta sauce, tomato and also Alfredo pasta sauce. Then I am gonna take very small macaroni, not a big one, it's a small little bit size because kids like small size, they don't like penny pasta and spaghetti. I thought they don't like, so that's why especially I make this is for kids. So I'm choosing the small one, number 23. Any kind of you can use all the number which is the small size, so you can purchase and make like this. But the most important, you can find out kids pasta sauce or any kind of sauce which is the especially make for kids. Okay, and also I'm using Alfredo. So now I'm gonna start this recipe, so please keep watching my video till end. So do subscribe my channel so I can make next time another something new recipe for you and your kids or your family and your restaurants and any whatever you need to try. So please let's get it start. For this recipe I am gonna chop this white onion. I take one medium size of white onion and one small size of red onion, so both I am gonna chop it this on chopper. Second step, I take this chicken breast 3 pieces without bone, and now I'm gonna cut this small cubes. Hey guys, now I am going to add here in the pan some of oil, and now we add here onions. Mix well. It's take here 2 to 3 minutes for light brown, so it's better. Now I'm going to here start boiling for pasta. Add little salt, oil 2 tablespoons. When the water is start boiling, so I'm gonna add here pasta. After start boiling water, I'm gonna add here around 2 cups of small pasta, any size whatever you have. You can see here the onions it's start taking color, so just maybe around 1 or 2 minutes I cook this now slow fire. Then I add chicken. Yeah, it's done now. Now I am add here chicken. Remember, don't make golden color, okay, just light brown like this. So it's enough. Now I'm going to add here chicken which I cut before and clean and everything, just I put it now. Mix well. You see it's already start transferring the color of chicken. So when the all chicken is become white, so I'm going to add here kids pasta sauce. After 1 minute start boiling all the chicken white color, then I add this sauce. Yeah, now it's done, so I add this pasta sauce. And now I am going to add here Alfredo sauce 2 tablespoons or 3, is depending on your quantity of pasta. So I take here 2.5 teaspoons. So the pasta is ready. I did not cook pasta 100%, I just cook 70 to 80%, and then because we cook here also the pasta. So now I'm strainer this pasta. Slow flame and cook around 5 to 6 minutes slow flame, then it's done. So it's very easy and simple recipe for kids, pink pasta for the kids. So you can try at home anytime, anywhere, your kids if you want. So you can do this recipe. Okay, so do you like this recipe and very easy and simple and very quickly to make? So please do subscribe my channel for like this more recipe like this kind of. So please connect with me, so I will always upload like this kind of many more recipe, and also have in my channel you can go and watching so many videos for the cooking. So if you like, so please subscribe my channel. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon. Take care. Have a good day.